Students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver my 8th lecture on the topic Iqbal's Message to Youth, which is unit number 2 of your textbook. Okay, before going to start this lesson in detail, let me tell you about the objectives that you are supposed to attain at the completion of this lesson. Okay, as usual, we have theme, main idea, MCQs, words meaning, translation, and short questions. These are the things that we have to handle, we have to attain after studying this lesson. Okay, now in my previous lecture, I have thoroughly discussed the sketch and summary of the lesson. Let me remind you once again that sketch, okay, for your convenience. That is Iqbal. According to Iqbal, his youth is a standard bearer. He is a seer. He is an adventurer. He is an explorer, and he is an eagle. Okay, and he is the believer of ishq, and he has the quality of ego, and ego is something to know yourself, and the success should be or will be yours. Okay, so these are all the tributes of the youth of Iqbal. Now let's discuss and translate the second paragraph of the same lesson. Okay, so young generation, नौजवान नस्ल, is the standard bearer. Standard bearer means अलंबरदार, रहनुमाई करने वाला, of any nation, किसी भी कौम का. यानी नौजवान नस्ल जो है वो किसी भी कौम का अलंबरदार है. If their energy, अगर उनकी तवानाई जो है is channelized, उसको इस्तेमाल में लाया जाए या इस्तेमाल किया जाए in proper, सही, direction means सिमत. अगर नौजवानों की तवानाई को सही सिमत में इस्तेमाल किया जाए, इट कैन ब्रिंग सी चेंज, तो ये बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली ला सकता है. सी चेंज मीन्स बड़ी तब्दीली इन द सोशल, समाजी, पॉलिटिकल, सियासी एंड इकोनॉमिक फैब्रिक, माशी शोबे में. अगर मतलब नौजवानों की तवानाई को सही सिमत में इस्तेमाल किया जाए तो ये एक मुल्क की सियासी, समाजी और माशी शोबे में बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली ला सकता है. कीपिंग दिस व्यू इन माइंड, इसी सोच को जहन में रखते हुए, व्यू मीन्स सोच, तसव्वुर, माइंड जहन, इसी सोच को जहन में रखते हुए इकबाल फोकस्ड ऑन द क्रिएटिव एनर्जी. इकबाल ने तवज्जो मरकूज की किस चीज पे? क्रिएटिव एनर्जी, तहलीकी तवानाई पे, ऑफ द यूथ, नौजवानों की, इन हिज पोइट्री, अपने शायरी में. यानी अपनी शायरी में इकबाल ने नौजवानों की तहलीकी तवानाई पे तवज्जो मरकूज की. ओके, इकबाल्स नौजवान इज मर्द मोमिन. इकबाल का जो नौजवान है वो मर्द मोमिन है, मुजाहिद है, शाहीन, शाहीन है, एन एक्सप्लोरर, और दरियाफ्त करने वाला है, एन एडवेंचरर, एक मुहिमजू है, एंड सीयर, और एक दुरंदेश है. Whose aim, इकबाल के नौजवान का जो मकसद है, aim means मकसद, is going higher and deeper, उसका मकसद क्या है कि वो बुलंद से बुलंद तर परवाज करे. गोइंग यहाँ पे परवाज करना, हायर एंड डीपर मीन्स बुलंद से बुलंद तर. यानी इकबाल के नौजवान का जो क्या है, मेन जो मकसद है, जो अवलीन मकसद है, वो है बुलंद से बुलंद तर परवाज करना है, लाइक ईगल, शाहीन की तरह. टू एक्सप्लोर, ताकि वो दरियाफ्त कर सके, न्यू वर्ल्ड, नई दुनिया को, इन द अनचार्टर्ड, नामालूम, वाटर्स में, समंदरों में से, ताकि वो नामालूम समंदरों में से नई दुनिया दरियाफ्त कर सके. ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, तहलीकियत की या जिद्दत की, एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल परसूट, और फिक्री सलाहियत की. यानी वो शाहीन की तरह बुलंद से बुलंद तर परवास कर रहा है ताकि वो नामालूम समंदरों में से नई दुनिया दरियाफ्त कर सके. किस चीज की? तहलीकियत की, जिद्दत की, और क्या? फिक्री सलाहियत की, इंटेलेक्चुअल परसूट. द यूथ ऑफ इकबाल इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर. यानी इकबाल का जो नौजवान है इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर, वो क्या है? मजबूत यकीन रखने वाला है, इन इश्क, इश्क पे, یعنی وہ عشق پہ بہت مضبوط یقین رکھنے والا ہے. A creative and dynamic energy جو کہ ایک تخلیقی اور کیا متحرک توانائی ہے. ڈائنامکس مینس متحرک, جو کہ ایک کیا تخلیقی اور متحرک توانائی ہے. That helps the youth جو کہ کیا نوجوانوں کی مدد کرتا ہے to discover کہ وہ دریافت کر سکے and subdue اور مسخر کر سکے. subdue means مسخر کرنا. new stars نئے ستارے of originality اصلیت کی and individuality اور انفرادیت کی. Okay, I hope that you have understood this translation. Okay, students, now I will discuss adjective in the same paragraph because we have got many adjectives in this paragraph. Okay, so let's discuss adjective. Okay, now you see in the beginning young generation. Now generation is a noun and young is a adjective because it tells us about this noun. So this is adjective. Any word which tells us about noun, that is adjective. Then we have another adjective, that is any. Any tells us about this noun and this noun nation. Okay, so this is also an adjective, any. Okay, now we have there. There is basically what's we call, this is pronoun, but here it is an adjective because it tells about this noun energy. So there is basically possessive adjective. We call it a possessive adjective. Okay, it's channelized in proper direction. Now you see once again proper tells us about this noun direction. So this proper is also adjective. Okay, it can bring sea change. Now you see sea is basically a noun, but here it tells us about this change, and change is noun. So here this noun sea is working as a adjective. In the social, now you see social is also adjective, political is also adjective, and economic is also adjective because it tells us these three adjectives tells us about the noun fabric. It tells us about this noun fabric. Okay, of the nation. Keeping this view in mind, Iqbal focused on the creative energy. Now you see creative, the word creative tells us about energy, and energy is noun, so creative is adjective. Of the youth in his poetry. Now you see his poetry is noun, his tells us about this noun, so his is also possessive adjective. Okay, Iqbal's Nojawan is a Mardi Momin. Now you see this Mardi Momin is basically noun, but here it tells us about Iqbal's Nojawan. Okay, it's a kind of quality, it shows quality, Mardi Momin. So Mardi Momin also works as a adjective. Okay, Mujahid is also working as an adjective. Shaheen is also working as an adjective. Explorer is also working as an adjective because these all words tell us about Iqbal's youth. These are the qualities that he mentions. Okay, now adventurer, this is also adjective, and seer, this is also adjective because all these words tell us about the word Iqbal's youth, that is noun. Whose aim, whose, once again this whose is also tells about aim is noun, and whose is also possessive adjective. Okay, is going to higher and deeper. Now you see this higher and deeper, these are both adverbs because it tells about the word going, which is verb. Okay, like eagle, Shaheen, to explore new is also an adjective because it tells us about the word world is noun, new tells about this word, so this adjective. And uncharted is also adjective, it tells us about the word waters. Okay, and what is noun? Of creative and intellectual. Creative here it is also adjective because it tells us about pursuit. Intellectual is also an adjective. Okay, creative is also an adjective because both the words tells about the word pursuit is a noun. The youth of Iqbal is a strong believer. Strong is once again adjective because it tells about the word believer, which is noun. Ishq, a creative. Creative is also adjective. Dynamic is also adjective because it tells these both words tell us about the word energy, which is a noun that helps the youth to discover and subdue new. New is also an adjective because it tells us about the word star, which is a noun of originality and individuality. I hope that you have understood the adjectives inside this paragraph. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.